Okay, today we will study construction of altitudes of a triangle. Draw an acute angle triangle PQR. Draw all of its altitudes. Name the point of congruence as O. Okay students, here you have to construct acute angle triangle. What do you mean by acute angle triangle? An angle which measures more than 0 degree and less than 90 degrees. So first we will construct what students? We will construct an acute angle triangle. So draw an acute angle triangle student like this. Yes. Now name this acute angle triangle P Q R. Okay. Now you have to draw the altitude. You have to draw the altitude in your triangle PQR. Now what do you mean by altitude students? The perpendicular segment drawn from a vertex of a triangle on the side opposite to it is called an altitude of the triangle. That means you have to draw a perpendicular segment from your vertex P, from your vertex R, from your vertex Q. Now, how will you draw this? By using a set square, students. By using a set square. Now, what you will do, students? Now, you have to draw a perpendicular from your vertex P on the side. On which side, students? On your side QR. So, you will place your set square like this, and this should pass through your point P. Like this you have to do. You have to adjust nicely, students. Can you see? Now what you will do, students? You will draw a line. See over here, look over here. You can see over here that on your side QR you have placed your set square. See, it is overlapping. Can you see the drawn line? No. So it is overlapping on your side QR. So you have to draw like this. Draw a line like this. Now this becomes what, students? This becomes your 90 degree. You can name this as X. So segment PX is the altitude of your triangle PQR. Now I want to draw perpendicular segment for my vertex Q. Now how will I place my set square, students? I will place like this, and slowly I will move it downwards like this, slowly. Yes, now you have to see. Adjust your set square, students. Nicely you have to adjust. Now see here. Can you see on this is your side PR. Now you have to draw perpendicular. You have to draw. Now students, one thing you observe. This should be on overlapping on your side PR. Now you draw a line like this. Yes, this is what your perpendicular. Yes, now this is, you can name this as Y. Now you have to draw a perpendicular from your vertex R on which side? On your side PQ. Now so how will you place your set square, students? Like this you will place over here. On this side PQR you will place like this, and slowly you will move down like this. Yes, and see. Can you see? Now look over here, students. See, this is overlapping. This is overlapping. This side of your set square is overlapping on the side QR. And can you see here? This is the point. This is your vertex Q. Now you have to draw one line. Draw a line, students, like this. Now this is what? This becomes your perpendicular. Here you can write as Z. Now segment PX, segment RZ, segment QY. What they are, students? These are your altitude. Now look at this figure nicely, students. Your altitude, all three altitude. How many altitudes you are having? 1, 2, 3. Now all these three altitudes are passing through a common point. You know this. Now this point of congruence is called the orthocenter. What it is called as? The orthocenter, and it is denoted by the capital letter O. So all your three altitudes, that is your segment PX, your segment RZ, and your segment QY are passing through a common point, that is point O. This point O is called your orthocenter.